Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please?
This is your captain speaking.
Mayday, mayday, mayday. Roger.
Terrain. Wind shear.